A as in apron, H as in house, E as in equal, E. J as in jam, J. I as in iris, I. K as in kite, K. O as in opener, O. X sounding KS as in box, X. U as in unicorn, U. Qua as in queen, R as in star, L as in leaf, L. M as in mitten, M. As in fern, Or as in fork, or. N as in nest, N. U as in book, P as in pig, P. Moon, oon. R as in rabbit, AU as in saucer, ah. S as in sock, S. T as in table, V as in Valentine, V. W as in wagon, W. Y as in yarn, Y. Z as in zipper, Z. Oi as in oil, Oi. OU as in out, ow. I as in itch, I. E as in echo, eh. A as in apple, ah. O in octopus, O. U in umbrella, B in bat, B. D in dog, D. F in fish, F. G as in goat, G. CH in chair, Ch. SH in ship, Sh. NG as in the word king, Ng. TH as in mother, Th. TH as in timble, T. WH pronounced HW as in whistle is Wh. ZH as in explosion is Sh. That's not it. I think that's it, yeah.